Namaskar, class 4 students. You got promoted to class 4. So it is a very happy news for us. And if you read well in class 4, you will be promoted next year into class 5. And after that class 6. Every day in the morning and evening you try to read at home. In the morning 1 hour, in the evening 2 hours. Only that. And rest of the time you stay at home, stay safe, repeatedly you wash your hand. Before eating anything with soap, you properly wash your hand, and whenever you go outside of your home, always you wear a mask, and that too N95 mask. Ordinary masks will not protect us from attack of virus or bacteria. These are called only respiratory. Okay, so stay at home, stay safe, and since you are at home, definitely you will be getting bored, mobile or TV or playing with your mommy and papa and brother and sister. So better to engage yourself with books, because books are great friends. Only the good books are the good friend. The best friend are the good books. So make a habit of reading books, not only the class book, not only the course book, but also the magazines, the newspapers, and you must read the Assamese papers, Assamese magazine, English magazine, and Hindi magazine, and you watch movies or cartoon of these 3 languages at least. English movie or English cartoon, Hindi cartoon, and Assamese cartoon. All these 3 languages are very much important for you to learn, because we communicate with other people in the means of language. If you make yourself sound in different language, you will find more and more friends in your later age. Today we are going to learn about our body. I am going to take the first lesson from your science book. The name of the chapter is Parts of Our Body. P-A-R-T-S, parts of our body. My dear students, what is this? What is this? This is a ceiling fan. Can you recognize? This is a ceiling fan. Yes or no, beta? Okay. This is the rod, motor of the fan with the ceiling. So this is the rod. This is the hook. This is the fan blade. And inside this, the motor is there. These are called different parts of the fan. This is fan body, and these are the different parts. Similarly, this is human being. When you were in class 1 and 2, you read about different parts of the body. This is eyes, this is nose, this is mouth, these are ears, these are hair, these are hair, stylish hair, no? Okay. This is neck, This is shoulder. This is hand. This is hand. This is chest. This is chest. Abdomen. These are legs. These are legs. Yes or no, beta? Okay. These are the different parts of the body. These are fingers. These are fingers. Okay. Our body has different parts. Each part of our body does some special work for us. Our body works like a machine. It is made up of different internal and external organs. Now you are getting a new term, internal and external organ. Organ means when similar cells get together to perform one kind of work is called organ. Now internal means inside and external means outside. Now the motor is inside the fan. The blade is outside the fan. The outside part of the fan is called external organ and inside part is motor. The motor we cannot see. It is covered with a covering. So the motor is called internal. Now the hand, the legs, the eyes, the ears, we can see from outside. These are the external part of the body, and the lungs, the hearts, the kidneys are inside the body, inside our skin. We cannot see it from outside. So these are called internal organ. Is it clear to you better? So I am going to write it down. The example of internal organ. The external and internal organs are interrelated to each other and guide the different activities in the body. Now, inside the abdomen, the stomach is here. Then the alimentary canal is also there. Then the liver is located here. This is pancreas. This is large intestine. And this is anal pore. Liver, stomach. So these different organs internally connected and perform specific work. If they do not keep relationship between them, they cannot digest. Now from mouth we take food. With the food tube, it goes to the stomach. From the stomach again it digested, goes to the small intestine, then large intestine, and the digested food is collected by the blood, and the undigested part is taken out by the body in the form of stool. Very foul smell, no? Stool. In the morning you do it. Okay. These organs are interrelated to each other and guide the different activities in the body. Group of these organs which perform specific tasks is called the organ system. Now the liver, the stomach, the small intestine, the large intestine together perform the digestion of food. And so together all these organs are called organ system. What is organ system? Now I will give you the definition. Organ system. When different organs with mutual understanding perform a specific job these organs are together called organ system. As I told you, digestive system is composed of liver, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, anal port, etc. So example of organ system are digestive system, skeletal system, circulatory system, excretory system, etc. There are many other systems. Now, as the lesson will progress, we will go on. The bones of the skeletal system works together with the muscular system which help us to move. The bones of the skeletal system works together with the muscular system which help us to move. The blood in the circulatory system absorbs nutrients and oxygen from the digestive system and brings to different parts of the body. It also transports body waste to the excretory system from where it is expelled from the body. The other system of our body are given below. Skeletal system. It is given in your book, the skeletal system. Skeletal system means the bones. The bones framework is known as skeletal system. The framework of our body is made up of bones. This frame of bones gives shape to the body. The bones protect organs like heart, lungs, brains, etc. The body of an adult has 206 bones. It is important to you. What is the main function of the skeletal system? The skeletal system protects the internal organ like heart, brain, lungs, etc. To protect the internal organ like heart, brain, kidneys, lungs, etc. There are 206 bones present in human body. All bones are different in shape and size. These bones together make skeletal system. They also provide strong support to the muscle. The babies are born with 350 bones. Remember, The baby is born with 350 bones, more than an adult human. The biggest bone in the body is femur. The biggest bone in the body is femur. F-E-M-U-R. Femur. The biggest bone in the body is femur in the thigh. That means this one. This is the thigh region. This bone is the biggest one in our body. And the smallest is the steps bone in the middle ear. Middle ear I could not show you. Inside the ear it lies. In an adult, the skeleton comprises around 30 to 40% of the total body weight, and half of this weight is water. The human skeleton consists of the skull, the ribs, limbs, backbone, and breast bones. Underline it. The human skeleton consists of the skull, ribs, limbs, backbone, and breastbone. Muscular system. The soft fleshy parts around our bones are muscular. They are attached to the bones and help us to move effortlessly. There are 600 muscles in our body. This is the picture of muscles. The muscles covers the bones and closely attached with the bone. Digestive system, as I drawn here, very rough sketch. It is given in your book. This is digestive system. It starts at mouth cavity or buccal cavity, goes through the food tube or esophagus, enters into the stomach, liver is attached with it. Here is a green leaf-like structure. It is called pancreas. Then small intestine, large intestines, bile duct, and then anal pore. The main organ system in human body are the digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system, and reproductive system. The process of digestion starts from the mouth. The food is chewed in the mouth and is mixed with the saliva. Inside the mouth, when we take the food with the help of our teeth, we chew the food, we grind the food and get mixed with the saliva. Would get mixed with that saliva and semi-grinded mixture we swallowed, and it goes through the esophagus, the food tube. The food pipe acts as a passage to take the food from the mouth to the stomach. Through the food pipe or food tube or esophagus, the semi-grinded saliva mixed food goes to the stomach. The stomach is an elastic bag made of muscle. This is the stomach. This portion is called stomach. Elastic bag made of muscle. Here some digestive juices secreted by the walls of the stomach get mixed with this food. The food is churned in the stomach and get converted into semi-solid paste. The stomach wall secreted digestive juices like hydrochloric acid, digestive juice, and make it a semi-solid paste. From the stomach, the food goes to the small intestine. Here is the small intestine. Long tube, curved long tube. Small intestine. The small intestine is a long, narrow and coiled tube just beneath the stomach. Here the juices from the liver and the pancreas also mix with it. the digestion of food that starts in the stomach is completed in the small intestine. The pancreas lies behind the stomach. The pancreas produces a digestive juice that helps to break down the food in the small intestine. The function of the large intestine is the absorption of water. Undigested solid waste material from the body is expelled from the body in the form of feces through the anus. Liver is located in the abdomen. It is the largest internal organ of human body. More than 100 different kinds of processes takes place inside the liver. The liver is concerned with the digestion of food, excretion of waste materials, storage and conversion of food materials, addition of components of the blood, and destruction of poisonous substances. So these are the function of liver. Remember it. Now I am going to the next heading, circulatory system. Circulatory means to circulate, to transport material from one part of the body to the another parts of the body. Have you ever wondered how does the digested food reach the different parts of the body? Inside our body, vessels carry food, waste, oxygen and carbon dioxide into different parts of the body. You have heard about arteries and veins. These are called vessels present in our body. The heart is present between the lungs and protected by a rib cage. This is the food tube. This is the food tube. Here is a leaf-like organ. This is called heart. Heart has 4 chambers and it is covered with ribs. Ribs means bones. Surrounding it, there are bones like this. It is protected by ribs. These are the bone. This is called rib cage. You can touch your ribs at your breast. From the heart, different nerve goes different side. This way, the nerves are going to brain also. These are the nerves called arteries and veins. The heart is present between the lungs and protected by a rib cage. It is a major organ of the circulatory system. The heart is as big as a closed fist and is divided into 4 chambers. Fist means this, the structure of our hand. This is called fist. Our heart lies towards the left side and it is as big as your fist. Here it is located and it is a main part of circulatory system. Heart pumps the blood and moves to different parts of the body, and from different parts of the body the blood vessel carries the blood to the heart and the heart pumps it to the lungs. In the lungs it is get purified, carry oxygen, again come into the heart, again heart pumps the blood and moves to different part to supply the oxygen. It has thick walls made up of strong muscle. This helps the heart to contract and force the blood through blood vessels. It acts like a pump which keeps the blood moving in our body. Every time the heart contracts, it pushes out blood through special thick blood vessels called arteries. Arteries carry food and oxygen to different parts of the body. thin blood vessels are called veins, collect carbon dioxide and other waste products from different parts of the body and take them to the heart. This impure blood is sent by the heart to the lungs first. There, the blood expels carbon dioxide and take it more oxygen. Purified blood returns to the heart and process starts all over again. The waste are taken to the kidneys. That means the blood carries oxygen from the lungs to the heart. Again, heart pumps the blood. The arteries carries the oxygenated pure blood to different parts of the body, and the veins carries the impure blood. That means carbon dioxide mixed blood to the heart. Again, heart push it to lungs. In the lung, the carbon dioxide is released and get oxygenated again come into the heart. And blood also carry the food to different parts of the body from the site of the production. That means from small intestine. And water is also collected in the large intestine, and the blood carry this or water to the main streams of the blood. Similarly, the blood also carry the waste material from the site of production to the site of elimination. Now I am going to the next heading. Respiratory system. Respiratory organ of our body involved in the process of gases exchange. The respiratory system supplies oxygen to the body and removes carbon dioxide. We need oxygen to burn the food and release oxygen. Here you correct the sentence. We need oxygen to burn the food and release energy, not oxygen. Here it is given, we need oxygen to burn the food and release oxygen, but instead of oxygen, here it will be energy. We need oxygen to burn the food and release energy. The air we breathe in goes from the nose to the windpipe or trachea. The windpipe at the lower end divided into tube called bronchi. The blood takes up the oxygen present in the air. The oxygen reaches various parts of the body with the help of the hemoglobin. The oxygen oxidizes food and provides energy to the body. Here another word you have got, oxidizes. Oxidizes means oxidized. Oxidized means burns with the help of oxygen. The oxygen burns the food and provide energy to the body. Nervous system. Here is the nervous system given, the drawing. Here is the lungs. Look at the picture given in your book. Nervous system. Our nervous system includes brain. Brain is located inside the skull of the head. Spinal cord. This region is known as spinal cord. And nerves. The backbone, the brain and the nerves. It controls all the functions of the body. Our sense organs send messages to the brain. Sense organs, we have 5 sense organs. What are the name of the sense organ? Eyes, nose, tongue, skin, ear, etc. This sense organ collects the information from the environment in the form of impulses and send it to the nerve. The nerve in the form of impulse carried to the brain. The brain detects what kind of situation going on outside and send back the action to perform to the action site. The brain passes order to different organs to work accordingly. Reproductive system. So, our reproductive system includes special organ which help in reproduction. Reproduction means production of baby. This system is very important for existing life on earth and for continuing generation after generation. Men and women have different reproductive system. Kidneys. These are the, here you can see, here in a book, see, these are the two kidney, these are the bladder, this is urethra. The kidney filters the water, collect from the blood and form urine deposited, stored in the urinary bladder, and time to time through urethra the urine passes out. Our body has two kidneys. These are reddish brown bean shaped organ. The kidneys filters the waste from the blood, producing urine. Ureters convey the urine to the urinary bladder. These are the two ureters. The ureter collects the urine produced by the kidneys and send it to the bladder. Urinary bladder. The urine is yellowish liquid that is collected in the urinary bladder. Urethra. The urine is passed out through the urethra. The main function of the kidney is to filter the liquid waste from the blood. So the chapter I have explained to you. Now some questions are given in the exercise. Question number A. Tick the correct answer. Question number 1. Group of organs which perform specific task is called. Option given: internal organs, external organ system. Question number D. None of these. The answer is C. Organ system. Question number 2. The biggest bone in the body is. Options are femur, steps, skull. None of these. Answer is femur. Question number 3. The smallest bone in the body is. Options are given: A. Limbs, B. Femur, C. Steps, D. None of these. The answer is the smallest bone in the body is steps. Question number 4. Our nervous system includes. Option A. Brain, option B. Spinal cord, option C. Nerves, option D. All of these. Our nervous system includes all of these: brain, spinal cord, nerves. So answer is D. All of these. Kidneys purify the. Answer water, B. Air, C. Blood, D. None of these. Kidneys purify the blood. So answer is C. Fill in the blanks. Question B. Our body has different parts. Question number 2. The framework of our body is made up of. In the blanks you write bones. Question number 3. All bones are different in sizes and shapes. Question number 4. The dash is an elastic bag made of muscle. The stomach is an elastic bag made of muscles. Question number 5. Men and women have different reproductive system. Now question number C. True and false. Each part of our body does some special work for us. True. Question number 2. The frame of bones gives shape to the body. True. The soft fleshy part around our bones are skeletal, not skeletal, muscle. So the answer is false. Question 4. Liver is located in the abdomen. Yes, correct. So answer is true. Question 5. Our nervous system includes brain, spinal cord and nerves. Yes, it is true. And question number D. Answer the following question. What is the function of our skeletal system? Skeletal system gives shapes to the body. Full stop. It provides strong support to the muscle. Question number 2. Name the parts of respiratory system. The parts of the respiratory system are nose, nasal pores, trachea, bronchi, lungs, etc. Define digestive system. Digestive system is the system which involves in the digestion of food. Repeating the answer, digestive system is the system which involves in digestion of food. Question number 4. Which organ controls our actions or body functions? The answer is nervous system controls our actions or body functions. Question number 5. What is the function of the kidneys? The functions of the kidneys are filtering of waste material from the blood, and production of urine. I am repeating the answer again. The function of the kidneys are number 1, filtering of waste from the blood, and number 2, production of urine. Thank you.